Building a financial legacy is about more than just accumulating wealth. Now, need to understand what it means by financial literacy. Start with the basics. Ensure you have an emergency fund, have insurance, invest in their future, protect your family with adequate life and health insurance.
Welcome to the FAM Podcast, a podcast about finance and mental health, teaching you good monetary habits to increase your income and improving your relationship with money, all while helping you with your mental well-being. And now here's your host, Braimoh.
Hello everyone, Braimoh here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'll be talking about how fathers, and young men out there can shape the future of their next generation. As Father's Day approaches, I'm focusing on the invaluable financial wisdom that dad can pass down to their children and the legacy they can build for the future generation. So in this episode, I'll be diving into why financial education is crucial for fathers and how young men can start their financial journey on the right foot. Whether you are a seasoned dad or a young man just starting out there, this episode is packed with practical tips, inspiring stories, and actionable steps. And to all the dads who are already embodying this principle, be proud of the incredible job you are doing. I salute you guys. Your dedication is shaping a brighter future for your family. As a dad myself, I understand the importance of setting strong financial example for our children. It's not just about the money, it's about the values, the lessons we instill in them. So when they grow up, they will be able to actually manage themselves financially and they will not be a burden to themselves or to others. The question is, what is the role of fathers in financial education? Come with me. I'll tell you. Fathers, your role in your family's financial education cannot be overstated, overemphasized. You are the financial leaders and your actions and decisions set the tone for your children's future financial habits. You need to lead by example. You have to be transparent, demonstrate consistent savings and wise spending habits. Like I said earlier, transparency is key. Be open about family finances. Involve your children in financial decisions where appropriate. One of my mentors said, Warren Buffett, the best investment you can make is in yourself. By investing in financial education and you sharing it with your family, you are setting them up for success because you are passing down your success, your skills, your expertise, what you've learned over the years about how to manage money. It's not about just saying you are the dad of the home, but if you are not able to teach your kids how to manage finances, how exactly are you helping them for the future? In this episode, I'll be sharing practical tips on how you can bring them into the financial education in your home. 1, monthly budget meetings. Have regular family meetings to discuss the budgets and financial goals. Okay, let's do savings challenges. Engage in family savings challenges to make savings fun and educational and just make sure they are more involved. And to all the dads out there who are already practicing these habits, take a moment to be proud of yourself. You are not just managing your money, you are cultivating a legacy for financial wisdom and responsibility. Number 2, building a financial legacy for your family. How do you build financial legacy for your family? Building a financial legacy is about more than just accumulating wealth. No, it's about creating a foundation that the future generation can build upon. For example, having an emergency fund. Ensure you have an emergency fund that can cover your living expenses between 3 and 6 months. Have insurance in place. Protect your family with adequate life and health insurance. Anything can happen. All right. The next stage is investing for the future retirement savings. Contribute towards your retirement account. Put in extra there just in case as well. And you can also have education fund for your kids. Education fund is an account you set aside that you put in money every now and then for your kids' education. So when they need money for their school, their tuition fee, you don't have to go looking for money or go borrow, because that's the best thing you can do for them. Educating them about how important it is to save. According to Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, he said, it's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for? That's very important. This is the essence of building a financial legacy for your family. Let's say, for example, now, you save $200 in a month into that account with average annual return of 7%. In 30 years, you could have over $226,000 into that account. For those fathers already taking these steps, know that you are not just securing your own future, but you are setting up your children and your grandchildren for success. Be proud of the legacy you are building. For the young guys out there that doesn't have kids yet or their own family, it's never too early to start thinking about your financial future. The habits you develop now will set the stage for lifelong financial success. So these are the key steps you can take right now. Number one, budgeting. Start by tracking your own income and expenses. Use tools like YNAB or Monzo app to help you stay organized financially, okay? Number two is debt management. Avoid high interest debts and pay off any existing debt as quickly as possible. Don't play with debt. Debt does not add peace to your life. Benjamin Franklin said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Investing time in understanding personal finance now will pay off well later for you. I wish I had learned about how to invest in my early 20s. The power of compound interest is incredible, and starting early can make a great difference. It's never too late right now. You can start saving, start creating one, automate savings, set up automatic transfer to your savings account, start investing or let the money go from your cash account or regular account to your investment account. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance through books, podcasts like the Farm Podcast, and reputable online resources. For the young guys who are watching this video right now, embrace this principle now, and to fathers guiding them, your mentorship is invaluable. Be proud of the role you are playing in shaping financially savvy young men. They will thank you for it later. And for fathers, create generational wealth for your family. Generational wealth isn't just about money. It's about passing down knowledge and values that empower future generations to build upon your legacy. It's important. They are your kids, they are your family. Start creating something. Consider setting up a trust to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Invest in your children's financial education by teaching them about money management from young age. In the word of Nelson Mandela, he said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And that's true. By educating your children about finances, you are equipping them to create a better future. Think of any investment you want to put in their name, okay? Have a portfolio that includes stocks, bonds, real estate. Over time, this asset can grow and provide a substantial inheritance for your children. Fathers, if you're already thinking about long-term and planning for the future, you should be incredibly proud. You're not just making money, you're making the difference. And that's something beautiful. And that's something your family will thank you for later. They will appreciate you when you are gone. They will continue to pray and be proud of you. As we celebrate Father's Day, let's honor the financial wisdom of fathers and empower the next generation to build strong financial foundations. Remember, it's not just about the money you leave behind, but the knowledge and value you instill in your children. To all the dads who are already on this path, be proud of the amazing work you are doing. I salute you. Your efforts are paving the way for a brighter future for your family. Thank you for tuning into this special episode of the Farm Podcast. If you found this content valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share with friends and family, and subscribe to the Farm Podcast for more insights on financial empowerment and personal growth. I want to say thank you guys for those who have already subscribed, those who are sharing. I'm very grateful. Thank you very much. Join the conversation. Comment below with your thoughts and stories about financial wisdom from your fathers. If you will have a special business done for you by your dad, or you want to share how well it's doing, feel free. Let us know. Always consult with a financial advisor for specialized and personalized guidance. And as you begin this new week, may God bless you with wisdom to manage your finances effectively and keep you free from anxiety and financial stress and guide you towards prosperity. And remember, personal finance is personal and your mental well-being is priceless. Happy Father's Day and God bless. Bye-bye.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the FAM Podcast. We hope you learned something valuable today. Be sure to subscribe wherever you heard this podcast so you never miss a future episode. And remember, health is wealth, and wealth is health. We'll see you next time.